Your paranoia, it happens all the time. And that's 'cause lying's a big problem of mine. But I still do it, now I'm by myself again. I told so many that I can't see them end. So I said, if I could, I would make amends. Today I wrote a list of them.
Жертва, жертва, жертва.
It starts with the word, it ends with a